issue of duplicate epic cards is extremely serious. All parties have now recognized it. All opposition parties have recognized it. Ever since Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee flagged the issue, all opposition parties have now recognized that duplicate epic cards are a very serious issue and they pose a threat to electoral democracy. Today, we 10 MPs, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha of the All India Trinamool Congress met the Election Commission, the Chief Election Commissioner, and 2 other election commissioners, and we have presented a detailed 4-page memorandum giving certain main points in the memorandum. I'll give you the 3 main points which we have flagged. Now, one of the things we have flagged is, ever since we have provided solid evidence of duplicate epic cards, the Election Commission is still not telling us how many duplicate epic cards are there. What is the number of the duplicate epic cards? Because the Election Commission is saying it's going to solve the problem in 30 days, in 90 days, in 3 months. The Election Commission is saying it's going to solve the problem of duplicate epic cards. The Election Commission has accepted there are duplicate epic cards. It is saying they're going to solve the problem in 3 months. But we're asking, if you do not even know what is the number of the duplicate epic cards, how many epic cards are there, how are you going to solve this problem in 3 months? Second, we want to also say that we have given some suggestions on how electoral rolls can be cleaned up. Electoral rolls, the sanctity of electoral rolls is the basis of electoral democracy. We have given suggestions on how they can be cleaned up. We have said that if there are voters who are missing, if there are voters who have been added, if there are any changes in the electoral roll, the Election Commission should bring out a separate roll where these changes, these deletions and these additions should be clearly mentioned. Third and most important, I'm giving you a really explosive bit of news now. We have already given solid evidence on duplicate epic cards. We have given solid evidence, not allegations. We have given solid evidence. We now want to make another very serious allegation. There is credible evidence that Aadhaar cards are being cloned and they are being used for fake voter registration. Aadhaar cards are being cloned and they are being used for fake voter registration. This is the big news we are giving you today. Not the duplicate epic cards we have already proven with evidence. We are now saying that there is credible evidence that Aadhaar cards are being cloned and these are being used for fake voter registration. We also want to ask, why has the EC not clearly stated in Form 6B that seeding Aadhaar with Epic is voluntary and not compulsory? Form 6B, EC should clearly state that seeding Aadhaar with voter ID is voluntary, it is not compulsory. Also, how will the Election Commission ensure that this alleged cloning of Aadhaar card will not affect the Epic card? How will the Election Commission ensure that the cloning of the Aadhaar card will not affect the Epic card? Transparency and rigorous investigation is necessary. Stonewalling will not work. The Election Commission has to walk the talk because electoral rolls are central to a free and fair vote.